As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the African savanna in hues of gold and crimson, a remarkable scene unfolds before us. A pack of hyenas, often misunderstood creatures, begin their nightly hunt. These extraordinary animals, with their powerful jaws, spotted coats, and keen intelligence, are far more than the scavengers they're often portrayed to be. As we observe their movements, we see a level of coordination that rivals any well-oiled machine. Their hunched posture and unique gait belie their incredible speed and endurance. Some hyenas distract the herd, while others flank from the sides. It's a dance of life and death, played out on the vast stage of the African plains. In a flurry of dust and thundering hooves, the pack successfully brings down their quarry. As night fully descends, the hyenas' celebratory whoops echo across the savanna, a chilling yet fascinating reminder of the raw, untamed beauty of the natural world.